this day I don't even know. We finna head to Abu Dhabi for the whole day, get a little tour of the city, man. Niggas dressed, niggas got the headscarves on, you feel me? Hold on, a little fit check,
You feel me? Got a little fit check, bro.
That bitch official. Yeah, over there.
You know what it is. Got a little fit check. Let me go ahead and we off the Adidas, but we cool with it. You feel me?
Right.
Go off color matches. You feel me?
They wasn't even gonna notice, but look, we finna get up out of here. We gonna show y'all today, man. Y'all see how I had to look who it is. Look who it is.
I ain't talking to nobody today.
Y'all see I had to wrap the little scarf, man. I couldn't just wear it plain.
To the sports bar today. You have a good night, AJ?
They said we couldn't wear shorts, we gotta get a condor. We done made it to Abu Dhabi. Gonna go through the mosque. They ain't gave us a makeover, man. We couldn't go in there with the shorts, so we had to get the full fit. About to go in the mosque now. You see all these people, man. They waiting to get in that mosque. Good fits. I don't think I'm gonna be able to record in there, so we gonna tap in when we leave. They said we can't do hand gestures, but I'm gonna do them anyway.
No hand gestures. No P-Rod.
No what? Y'all better watch what y'all throw up in here, man. It's real gang affiliated over here in Dubai. The light crazy. Man, we got this security. Y'all see it though. This is damn near cool. We ain't seen much yet. We're on the way up to the top, man. Good light. Yeah. I had to. I knew the light was coming. I don't even know what we expecting to see up here. We're gonna see something. Sheesh. It's a beautiful scene, man.
But this is very nice, actually.
As somebody else said, it's giving amazing.
It's giving amazing vibe.
I see it, man. Beautiful scenes behind us. But to go inside, I know I'm sweating, bro. And it's too hot for me to even see the reflection, so I don't even know if I'm in the screen for real or not. You know? Sun blazing. But we gonna see. Sun not going nowhere, man. There's so many people out here. Look at this guy. We walking through this line, bro. It's 1,000 people behind me want this picture. There we go. If that sun go away a little bit, I might sweat. Y'all see it? Look, this is where we're finna take the pic at. Good views. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Good views. Y'all messing with the mosque? They ain't fucking with it. They ain't fucking with me. We gonna see though. We got bro, he our personal photographer and shit. They all taking pictures. I'm on this video. Man. It's giving amazing.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all tap in with my boy AJ. Personal tourist, personal photographer, all that in one. He done hooked us up with all this. He the one taking all the pics. He the one showing us around. AJ the GOAT, man. He just more than a tour guide. He the GOAT. Oh, my fault. We just finished the tour of the Grand Mosque. I ain't gonna lie, the scenery in here crazy. Y'all gonna see the pics on the gram. Make sure y'all go tap in. Y'all leave a comment and let me know what y'all think about the mosque. We're finally getting up out of here. It's a little too hot in here. It's like 90 outside right now. It's time to go. We're finna finish the tour of Abu Dhabi. We're done at the mosque. Leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think, man. What y'all think about the scenery. Security is coming to give a pull up to the palace, man. New location, new scenery. Damn, never said thank you out here. I should have did it. Yours. We about to see what the palace talking about, man. The mosque was cool. Let's go ahead and get up there. Everything in here made out of pure gold. Pure gold and marble. You see what we walking on. You see what we walking on. Nothing but gold and marble. The 0.5 off the vlog really crazy. Y'all see everything. Y'all see where we at. We still 0.5, man. Oh, we might as well check this out. I don't even know what this is, but I'm gonna check it out though. They should have a pool table in here. That'd be way tougher. Not even gonna lie. We taking a little bathroom break right now. They're not paying attention, but we gonna get back active, man. We piss on royalty over here. I piss excellence. I piss excellence. Excellence. You know it's crazy when you're recording a bathroom. Look at that. Man, we took a little bathroom break. Testing out the cinematic just to see how I look. Let me know how I'm looking, man. Man, we out of the palace, everything made out of marble and gold. I get at like an 8 out of 10. It was pretty smooth. We about to head somewhere else, man. We got about 4 more stops. It's a full day tour. 4 more stops. Hopefully they good as the mosque. Keep the euros from the background. That boy's still out here, y'all see it? Oh yeah, man, we go. Let me grab the euro. Y'all see the scenery behind me. I had to play 5 so y'all can see everything. It's crazy out here, man. Man, we had to get our flicks in. We up out of here. I'm 0.5 and everything so y'all can see everything, man. Man, when I tell y'all, we get lost in every parking lot, bro. We get lost every time we come into a parking lot, bro. Man, about 5 people asked me what's up from here, man. Prince Faye, Prince of Dubai. Man, we out here at the Louvre. Niggas tired, man. Niggas slept the whole way here from the last load. We finna go in here and see what this little museum talking about, man. If the museum cool, it's cool. It's not, it's not. We gonna wake up by the time we leave, though.
At this rate, I'll jump in. Yeah.
What is that? You good, you good. As I was walking through this museum, I realized how uncultured I was, man. So all this shit look as, but look, we gon' they got something in there. I don't know what it is. What you think?
I really like it. I'm into all type of arts. I love to enjoy the culture in different countries. And I love the museum.
Y'all know I had to get the Black Queen in there. All the time we support the Black Queens no matter where we at.
Two hours later.
Look, man, we walking through the museum. I ain't gonna lie, there's been some cool scenes in here. Ain't nothing too crazy, but it's definitely some cool scenes in here. I had to come get a better view for y'all, man. So nothing too crazy. Y'all finna see in a second. What's she doing? What's she doing? Oh, she taking her picture. I was for sure about to walk over there.
They said just one.
So we good? And then security let us down here, so this exclusive footage right here. Only a few people can come down here, man. We got the thing security right there. It's my boy Johnny. I don't even want no pic. You feel me? We at the end of the museum. What y'all think? What y'all think?
I'm gonna say 7.
7?
High
7.
7, yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I understood more of it.
And I said a 6 because I've been to the one in Paris and I'm somewhat comparing it to Paris and I know I should. But, it's a great place to visit.
Well, y'all have it. It's another exclusive bathroom, y'all. Every toilet is just a private bathroom. Like, look, it's just the toilet in here. Look, it's private, man. Get that little private bathroom. We ain't got this in the U.S., man. Man, we done left the museum. We done pulled up to Yaz Mall in Ferrari World. It's time to get a new Ferrari. Might fuck around, drive Ferrari. Cool little view outside. It's still hot as fuck. I heard it was cool though. So apparently Ferrari World got the world's fastest roller coaster, man. They said it's faster than the dragster. 240 miles per hour in like 5 seconds. So we finna go get on there, see what it's talking about. They also said they got the biggest looping roller coaster. We're gonna get on that after if we got time. Look at this, check out this Ferrari. Ferrari World doing Ferrari things, man. This the Ferrari World map. There's really a lot in here to do, but we only here for the big shit. You feel me? Pause.
What do you mean by that?
Pause,
Wow.
bro. That's like, this is it, y'all. Most likely, since it's supposed to be world fastest, I'm not taking my camera on there. So look, we gonna tap back in with y'all when we get off. Get our reviews. Well, y'all, we done fucking made it. That shit was borderline overrated, man. Borderline overrated. When I tell y'all that shit was like, I can't even say if it was faster than a dragster or not, but bro, whole time my mouth was like, bugs flying in my shit, man. Can we get a rate? Can we get a rate?
Wait, I ain't gonna lie, I'll give it a 8.5 out of 10.
That's respectable. That's respectable.
8.5.
Y'all come to Dubai, y'all gotta tap. It is tapping in worthy though.
Nah,
It's tapping in worthy for sure. World's largest looping roller coaster, man. Let me fix my turbo, bro. World's largest loop roller coaster. You feel me? That shit, it was average. You feel me? This ain't Cedar Point though. It's cool. It's cool for what they doing inside the mall. It's crazy to be inside the mall. Man, I say Ferrari World pretty solid, man. For this shit to be inside of a mall, this shit is pretty solid. We ain't had too much time to experience everything and drive the Ferraris, but we did get on a couple roller coasters. I say this shit about 8 out of 10, man. Definitely a must visit if you come to Dubai. Get a little food stop before we hit the road, man. We got a little hour before you drive back to the telly. Gotta fill the tank, man. Gotta fill up the Texas Roadhouse after these some roads. Let's smash these bitches.
Live from Dubai Festival Plaza in Jebel Ali, and our search is on.
Y'all see them out in 5, living it up, man. Catch us in Greece.